Welcome. In front of me I have a Fossil Gen 6 FTW4066 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called connectivity, and once you find it, tap on it, and here find the Wi-Fi option, and once you find it, select it. Now scroll through the list, find the option called saved networks. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the list of networks our watch is connected to, or basically saved. So if you're in the vicinity of the network, it will connect to it automatically. And if you want to disconnect from the network, simply find the network you want to disconnect from, tap on the X, tap on the check mark, and the network will be removed and your watch won't be connected to it again. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.